Using the Hillyard Cleaning Companion for deep cleaning and disinfecting restrooms. This deep clean process can be used with the HP high-pressure heavy soil system or the XP low-pressure moderate soil system. Get ready to clean. Put on gloves and safety glasses. Fill with cold water. Check the chemical refills. Only use Hillyard Cleaning Companion refills. This ensures proper dilution rates. Other products can compromise cleaning results, create safety issues, and cause damage by either over-diluting or under-diluting concentrates. Make sure the cleaning companion is fully stocked with supplies and tools. Place wet floor signs. Microfiber dust from the top down, dust air vents, partitions, mirrors, and dispensers. Sweep and collect debris. Now it's time to apply Suprox, a Green Seal certified high-strength peroxide cleaner. Select Suprox. Set the spray nozzle for low-pressure application. Apply to sinks, urinals, toilets, floors, and any high soil area. Scrub the floors underneath urinals and around toilets. Next, high-pressure rinse sinks, urinals, toilets, floors, and any high soil area. Rinse the surfaces. Squeegee mirrors and countertops. Microfiber wipe sink fixtures. Detail wipe the toilet fixtures and seats if necessary. Use the floor squeegee to pull soiled solution from under urinals and around toilets. Vacuum soiled solution. Microfiber detail the floor if necessary.